Central Act and the various rules and regulations made thereunder, and part implementation of the manufacture, storage and import of hazardous chemical rules 1989 Central Rule framed under the Environment Protection Act 1986. Under the above status, functions of the inspector mainly includes conducting inspection of factories and boilers situated in the state and act as a regulator to ensure safety, health, welfare, to monitor working hours and working conditions of the workers in the factories and the safe operation of the boilers. Apart from the above, the inspector conduct various training programs on the topic pertaining to safety and health for industrial workers. Number of workers trained during the year 2022 to 23, 2,444, 23-24, 3,013, and 24-25, 4,097. In addition to conducting training program, department also conduct non-academic course, namely 1 month course in safety and health for the supervisory personnel working in a hazardous process industries. To enhance skill of the supervisors, 3 months associate fellow of industrial health certificate course for doctors and boilers attendance examination. Reforms as on date, total 9 services of the department related to factories and boilers have been made available online. The department has introduced online central inspection system for conducting joint inspection for factories in the state, under which factories are selected for conducting inspection as per the prescribed frequency depending upon the risk categorization of factories, and also ensures random allocation of inspector for conducting inspection. As a part of initiative towards the ease of doing business, the Government of Goa has amended relevant provisions of the Factories Act 1948, Central Act number 63 of 1948 as under. Increase the applicability limit of numbers of workers required for Factories Act 1948 from 10 workers to 20 workers with the aid of power, and from 20 workers to 40 workers without the aid of power. To allow employment of women in the factories in all shifts, subject to ensuring safety and security women's workers. Inspection of factories and boilers by department, major accident hazards, factories, example HPCL, LPG bottling plant, etc. are inspected every year. Hazardous process factory, example pharma, chemical, and inspectors once in 2 years. Other factories employing above 50 workers are inspected once in 3 years. Other factories employing below 50 workers are inspected once in 5 years. Boilers are inspected every year. In addition to above, department conducts surprise inspection in case of complaints or if there is any major accident. Following data pertaining to inspection of factories and boilers for last 5 years. Number of factories inspection 2021 99. Number of boilers related inspection 179. 21-22. Factories inspected 184. Boilers inspected 152. 22-23. Factory inspected 175. Boiler inspected 132. 23-24. Factory inspected 158. Boilers 183. And 24-25. Factory inspected 137 and boilers 201. Speaker sir, safety and health audit factories by external agencies. Apart from department inspection, factories are required to conduct occupational safety and health audit through external agency, either once in 2 years, or 3 years, or 5 years, depending upon the category in which it falls under. Major accident hazard, MAH, factories once in a 2 years. Hazardous process factories or factories storing, handling hazardous chemical once in a 3 years. Other factories employing above 50 workers in 5 years. Accident statistics as a result of constant efforts in improvement of health, welfare of the workers and working condition, there has been decreasing trend in number of injuries and death due to accident in factories as under. Year 2011 to 2015, injury 367, death reported 41. 2016 to 2020, injuries 201, death reported 20. 21 to 25 till date, injuries reported 141, death reported 18. Speaker, sir, demand number 65. And Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Service. Animal Husbandry Department provides prompt veterinary health service through a network of 5 veterinary hospitals, 25 veterinary dispensaries, 47 key village sub-center, 1 disease investigation unit, 1 key village scheme, and 1 stockman training center. Service like treatment, surgeries, periodical vaccination against the critical disease, artificially insemination, disease diagnosis and surveillance, etc., is provided through these centers. The treatment, artificial insemination, vaccination facility for large animals are provided at the doorstep of the farmers. All the establishments are supplied with sufficient medicine and vaccination as per their requirement. All the life-saving drugs for animals are provided free of cost to the farmers. Department has treated 1,97,964 different animal cases and 1,10,445 vaccinations were administered during year 2024 to 25 and 14,013 animals have been artificially inseminated. To provide veterinary health service, a 4-wheeler vehicle is provided to every veterinary hospital, veterinary dispensary at that block level. 2-wheelers, every other veterinary dispensaries and key villages sub-centers. To upgrade the departmental service, this director has procured 2 ultrasound machines and 2 X-ray machines, which have been installed at Veterinary Hospital Tonka and Veterinary Hospital Sonsoda, respectively at the cost of rupees 87,86,000. Speaker, sir, the department is in the process of setting up of 2 district laboratories and 2 mini laboratories in the state of Goa. Infrastructure project of the department, veterinary dispensary Molem, construction of veterinary dispensary at Molem in Darbandoda has been completed and inaugurated on 18 July 2025 with expenditure amounting to rupees 1,97,52,064 rupees. The proposal furnishing the dispensary at the cost, the furnishing of the dispensary at the cost of rupees 24,85,776 through GHRSSIDC has been submitted for financial approval. Veterinary Hospital Sonsoda, Veterinary Hospital for Animal Husband Veterinary Service at Sonsoda, Rais, Kottani constituency has been completed with the total expenditure of 5,91,08,702. An inauguration to be held tentatively in September. Veterinary dispensary Sangem. The proposed construction of the veterinary dispensary at Sangem has been tendered and construction is expected to begin by laying the foundation stone on 20th August 2025 with expected expenditure of rupees 13 crores 38 lakhs 30,037 rupees. Veterinary Hospital at Murgaon Bicholim. A new hospital at Murgaon Bicholim is in the process of construction with the estimate cost of rupees 11 crores 2 lakhs 43,942. The tender process of which has been begun. Veterinary dispensary at Chikadim. The work of veterinary dispensary Chikadim is expected to begin this year. And executive engineer WD 8, building section PWD Fatorda Margao, Goa, is expected to submit estimate for administrative approval of the same. Goa College of Veterinary and Animal Science, the civil construction work of the college at existing veterinary campus of Department Animal Husbandry Veterinary Service, Kulti Fonda, as per the minimum standard prescribed by the Veterinary Council of India 2016 regulation, is in process at an estimate cost of rupees 30 crores. Speaker, sir, scheme for the department. Various schemes are introduced for augmenting milk production in the state. Mukhyamantri Sudarit Kamdenu scheme is one of the ambitious schemes of the state government aimed at making the state self-sufficient in the milk production. This result on account of introduction of these schemes, along with support of other schemes such as scheme for incentives to milk production, incentives to green fodder cultivation, dairy equipment, community dairy farming, interest subsidy on loan for agriculture allied activity, is now seen with the 25% increase in milk production within the state from 1,40,000 litres per day to 1,76,000 per day. Milk supplied to dairy society and Bachat Gut and locally sold by farmers during the last year over a period of 7 years. Sir, on account of introduction of poultry schemes, financial assistance of hearing boilers, layers, and low input technology poultry birds, financial assistance to infrastructure poultry farm, subsidy for transportation of poultry feeds, Gram Shakti, supply of low input technology poultry birds and rural farmers, establishment of backyard poultry unit for SC/ST. The poultry eggs production has increased from 327.4 lakhs in 2019 to 434 lakhs in 2024. Name of the schemes: Mukhyamantri Swadhari Kamdenu, subsidy of rupees 63,000 per milk animal, 90% subsidy to 10 milk animal unit of rupees 70,000 insurance. Subsidy released for the first 24-25, 3 crores 83 lakhs 7,148. Revised scheme for incentives to milk producers. Composite subsidy at a rate of 40% incentives on milk, 32.28, and cattle feed 7.72. Proceed to milk supplied the Dairy Cooperative Society Bachat Gut SLL Group. Subsidy released rupees 28 crores 59 lakhs 78,644. Name of the Gottery scheme: assistance for goats rearing. 10 female goats and 1 male goats per Gottery set, construction, transport cost and feeding cost 1 year to maximum subsidy of rupees 1,37,069. Subsidy released for first 24-25 4,10,273. Financial assistance for Gottery farmers belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, caste and Dangar for purchase of 2 female goats and 1 male goats. Purchase of 2 female goats and 1 male goats recognized breed for a unit cost of rupees 30,000. Subsidy release 30,000. Gopal Ratna Award to felicitate highest milk producer farmer and pouring milk in the dairy social budget gut in the state with price of rupees 1 lakh. Memento and certificate appreciation. Subsidy released 2,04,932. Pashupalan scheme to provide subsidy for raising calf and from birth to 27 months of age. The general category gets a subsidy of rupees 39,600, whereas SC/ST Dangar community gets amount of rupees 52,800. Subsidy released 2 crores 46 lakhs 12,125. community dairy farming to encourage larger dairy unit by group of farmers. 50% subsidy provided, subject to maximum of rupees 1.75 crores. Subsidy release rupees 15 lakhs 18,669. Scheme to green forest cultivation. Subsidy at the rate of rupees 65 per hectare is provided over a period of 3 years for cultivation of perennial green fodder and at the rate of rupees 15,000 per hectare for seasonal green fodder. Subsidy release is 9,99,834. Dairy equipment scheme. Subsidies provided for procurement dairy equipment to the farmers involved in dairy farming. Subsidy release is 3,75,637. Financial assistance to dairy farmers belonging to SC/ST for purchase of basic dairy equipment. Subsidies provided for purchase of dairy equipment to the dairy farmers belonging to SC/ST. Subsidy release is 1,37,075 rupees. Financial assistance for rearing boilers, layers and low input technology poultry birds, 2018. As per pattern of assistance of the scheme, the maximum quantum of financial assistance per month will be as under. Boilers farmers, rupees 56,000. Layer farmers, 48,000. LIT birds farmers, rupees 4,000. Subsidy released for 24-25 is 45 lakhs. Subsidy for transportation of ready poultry feed from outside the state of Goa by poultry farmers. Subsidy at a rate of 200 metric ton of feed purchased. Disaster management scheme. Relief towards the losses suffered due to natural calamity. Rupees 5 lakhs 8,000. Speaker sir, 11 numbers of Goan students are deputed to MAFSU Nagpur to undergo veterinary science degree course, as Goa does not have a veterinary college of its own. But government is now in the process of setting up a new veterinary college in the state of Goa. Scheme to control stray dogs. As per the various judgment of the Supreme Court and ABC rules framed thereon, animal birth control rules, the sterilization of dog is a mandate of the local bodies. However, to facilitate the local bodies took up the stray dogs maintenance, Department is formulated the Goa Small Animal Rescue Management Scheme 2014 amended, under which granting aid for the following component is provided. Vehicle up to 100% grant, the cost of the vehicle up to maximum rupees 9 lakhs. Cost of sterilization, including dogs, catcher, driver, veterinary surgeon, medicine, surgery, vaccine, microchips, feeding, rupees 1,800. Construction of shed subject to NOC from statutory authority, rupees 7,000 per square meter. Cost of the cage metal fabrication, rupees 5,000 per cage. Other expenses like survey of state small animal, rupees 1,000. Disposal of that small animal at the maximum rate 5% of the small animal proposed for ABC, rupees 500 per small animal. Cost of sterilization per cat, rupees 1,000. Rescue of stray small injured animal, the same will have to be satisfied by the local area officer at the maximum rate 10% of the same animal proposed for ABC, rupees 2,500 per small animal. Cost of the utilization certificate and audit report, rupees 5,000 per report. So far, 12,089 dogs have been sterilized under scheme in 24-25. An amount of rupees 2 crores 20 lakhs 38,350 has been released during the year 24-25. 8 municipalities, 1 corporation and 44 village panchayat have signed MOU with AWO and NGO. Government has also signed MOU with the Mission Rabies for vaccination of stray dogs in the state with effort of animal husbandry in collaboration with the Mission Rabies. The cases of rabies in the state of Goa has been reduced and the state was declared a rabies control state. However, due to the entry of dogs from the border where the incidence of rabies is high. There are few cases of rabies in the state. Once the rabies case
Because wanted to bull trolling aje apna sang bull trolling aje tu ekit action जातो ते
जालें सोपय म्हणतात 5-10 मिनिटात जाता.
ना मागीर सोपय हे बुल ट्रॉलिंग आजे सांग आमकां
पळय सी ओके सोपलें बुल ट्रॉलिंग आहा पळय आमी हांव 2 वर्सां मिनिस्टर आसलोच म्हाज्या एक्सपिरियन्सा प्रमाणे वॉट एवर इट इज तुमचे जे एक्सपेक्टेशन आहा रेट मारून ते धरपाक जाय त्या खातीरूच आमी एप्रील मे ड्रोन सिस्टम बीन घेतले अकॉर्डिंगली आमच्या हेज्या प्रमाणे आमी 8-15 दीस पयलीं कोस्ट गार्डा कडेन आनी कोस्टल पुलिसा कडेन घेतले हें मिटींग घेतल्या तिगांयच्या हितून आमी ड्रोनूय हे करतले 24 hours आमचो मोबायल नंबरूय आसतलो बोट बंदरा कडेन आनी वॉट तुमचे पळय
सद्या नंबर ना सद्या
20 ऑफिस आमचे हेजेर आसाच
जेटीचेर हाय ऑफिसो
जेटी सगळे ऑफिस दवरला
आनी तें कोटो मध्ये येताय जाल्यार
या दॅट वी आर डुईंग इट 100%.
तेंच कर तूं ते ड्रोन बी कित्याक तूं
ते करता. सेकंड थिंग most of the members had asked for the subsidy. I will sit with the chief minister, honorable chief minister, and I'll find out the milk subsidy.
wall inga kutbona
Bringing wall.
तो जर्मनी गेल्लो USA ला ते मातशें सांग.
कुटमण जेट्टी आसा आमचे कडेन कुटमण जेट्टी बी आमी सेंट्रल हितून प्रायम मिनिस्टराचे संपदा येवजण घातल्या वास्को वचोंक ना बाकी 4 शापोरा कुर्तालीम पेंजीम आनी कुटमण एक्सटेंशन करतले
दाजी बाबान सांगितले वास्को जेटी मातशें कर
वास्को कितें आहा वी आर एक्सटेंडिंग इट सॅनिटरी MPA पडटा म्हणून आमकां तेंच्यांनी CRZचे NOC मागले दॅट वी आर डुईंग इट आमी धाडला प्रपोजल तेजो DPR वयतलो प्लस आतां ह्यो तुमचे पळय बाकीच्यो जे EIA हा पयलीं EIA जाले तुमच्या लोकांनी ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलें नाव वी हॅज अपॉइंटेड अ कन्सल्टंट आनी आमी ताका ऑर्डर दिला कन्सल्टंटाक आनी तो ते EIA करून जाता
ऑर्डरा कॉपी म्हाका मातशी दी कन्सल्टंटाक ऑर्डर दिली न्हू नॉस्ट्यार ट्रेनिंग वॉल तेजी कॉपी मातशी दिली
लास्ट इयर तें चालू दिलो तुवें आन्सर USA गेल्लो ते मातशें कोण दी रे ते कुटबोणाचे 3 वर्सां जाली तेंच सांगताय आमी तूं येशेल्लो आदी येशेला
ना
हिंगा उरसू मागताय 8 तारखेक
तुमचे टेकन रायटींग सगळे तुमचे सजेशन आनी तुमकां जे थोड्यांच आतां आमचे शंकर वामणकरान म्हूण तुवें एक क्रुजान मागला आय विजीट द सायट आनी त्या प्रमाणे
जमीन फिशरीजां जमीन इन्स्पेक्शनां करून धाडली तेज्यात मातशें एक एश्युरन्स दिवपाक जाय जाल्यार
कशी
दॅट वी वील गिव इट टू द बेनावलीम फिशरमॅन
एवरी डे इज अ गुड डे चीफ मिनिस्टर बाब तो सांगत तो एवरी डे इज अ गुड डे ते मातशें अश्युरन्स दी
आतां उलोवपा जाय
आयक
ती एश्युरन्स
न्ही आयक मरे सीएमान ऑलरेडी डायरेक्शन दिलां आनी सीएमान सांगलां ताका दिवचें म्हणून
कितें सांगलां
फायल इज ऑलरेडी मूव्ड ते जागो दिवचो म्हणून दॅट वे करून 5,000 नक्की ना
आमी दिताय तांकां
इतली ती ठरवया
CM has already told us to give, so we are giving it.
Good. Every day is a good day.
So I request you to.
एवरी डे गुड डे आमचो गुड डे करा तुम्ही
Withdraw करचें.
जाल्यार विड्रॉ कर आता
Withdraw.
स्पीकर सर
Now I put the cut motions to demand numbers 59, 65 and 66 circulated in list number 7, 7A, 7B, 7C, 7D, 7E to the vote of the House. Those in favor may say aye. Aye. Those against may say no. The noes have it, the noes have it. The cut motions are negative. Now I put the demand numbers 59, 65 and 66 listed for today to the vote of the House. Those in favor may say aye.
Aye.
Those against may say no. The ayes have it, the ayes have it. The demands number 59, 65 and 66 are passed. Government bills introduction. Honorable Chief Minister, to move the motion to leave bill to introduce the non-biodegradable garbage control amendment bill 2025.
Sir, I request for you to move the motion to introduce the bill number 37 of 2025, the Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Amendment Bill 2025.
प्रश्न असो आसा गोवा नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल गार्बेज कंट्रोल अमेंडमेंट बिल 2025 मांडपाक अनुमती दिवची कधी जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें
हय
जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें विधेयक मांडपाक अनुमती दिल्यात मान्य मुख्यमंत्री
I introduce the bill.
The Goa non biodegradable garbage control amendment bill 2025
दिला
25 सभागृहात मांडला. डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत माननीय शिक्षण मंत्र्यान सभागृहात the Goa Public University Bill 2025 दाखल करून उपस्थित मांडलो.
Speaker sir, I request for you to move the motion to introduce the bill number 34 of 2025, the Goa Public Universities Bill 2025.
प्रश्न असो आसा द गोवा पब्लीक युनिव्हर्सिटी बिल 2025 मांडपाक अनुमती दिवची काय कितें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय हय म्हणचें जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें विधेयक मांडपाक अनुमती दिल्यात आतां मंत्र्या विधेयक मांडपाचो विधेयक मांडचें.
Sir, I introduce the bill.
द गोवा पब्लीक युनिव्हर्सिटी बिल 2025 सभागृहात मांडला.
Monday, Maje Wednesday kitendo. So at least we get some time. We may not really object with Vajpati amka time.
Okay. वाचपाक शेनवार आयतारा आनी 2 दीस कुटी आसा सामकी माझे डिमांड आहा ते पळोवचे पडटले केन्ना
नाही नाही इतले करपाक.
नेक्स्ट
शेनवार आयता सुशांत वाचूं येता 2 दीस.
The Goa Tourist Places Protection and Maintenance Amendment Bill 2025 पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे आणि विधेयक मांडपाक प्रस्ताव मांडचो.
So I request to move that bill number 29 of 2025, the Goa Tourist Places Protection and Maintenance Amendment Bill 2025 be taken into consideration.
प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयक विचारून घेवचें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें येस उलयता येस या
ना पहिले एक स्टेटमेंट सांगता
येस सर
अमेंडमेंट आहा तेका बिला
अमेंडमेंट आसा
पयली मूव कर मरे पयली मूव कर मागीर सांग कर.
Speaker sir, I wish to move the following amendments. Section 2 sub clause.
अमेंडमेंट येस
अमेंडमेंट मूव करता बरं पयली
हांवें move केला.
लेट हिम मूव.
Sub clause 2C. So the bill कितें म्हणटा थंय the one who drinks and breaks the bottle. हाका एकूच क्रायम म्हणून धरला सो त्या गोष्टी खातीर आमी ऑर म्हणला सो दोनूय क्रायम सेपरेट आसचे म्हणून म्हणजे कोण पिनास ना पसून
अमेंडमेंट सांग तू.
येस
अमेंडमेंट मूव कर
अमेंडमेंट सांग कितें वर्डिंग.
तितलोच वर्डिंग मूव कर
consuming liquor in any space where consumption of the liquor is not permitted. And
अरे read the amendment.
अमेंडमेंट या
वाच मरे
येस
अरे
बिल लागलो एक्सप्लेन करू.
in subsection 2 subclause C into bracket 3, wherever the word "and" occurs, the same shall be deleted and substituted by the word "or." And in section 2, in subclause C 6, after the word "boating" and before the word "or," the following expression shall be inserted, namely activities for taking tourists.
येस कालूच करेला.
तर आणि एक amendment आसा.
आणि काय ना
तर आणि एक amendment आसा तो move करता. In section 4 of the bill, after section 10 of the Principal Act, section 10A, from the words "the fine" till the words 2 years shall be inserted.
Yes. Yes.
Honourable Speaker, I have certain amendments. First is in section 2, in subclause C, the words "includes" shall be deleted and substituted by the word "means." In section 2, subclause C3, wherever the word "and" occurs, the same shall be deleted and substituted by the word "or." In section 2, in subclause C6, after the word "boating" and before the word "or," the following expression shall be inserted, namely activities for tourists, taking tourists. Then next is in 2C, section 2C, the subclause C7 shall be deleted. In section 2C, the subclause C9 shall be deleted. In section the subclause 12 shall be deleted and substituted by inserting the following subclause. Obstructing the free movement of tourists by hawking for sale of goods or service by hawkers. Or, in section 2C, the subclause C13 shall be deleted. In subsection 2C, after subclause C12, the following proviso shall be inserted, namely, provided that any offer or soliciting by the owner or by a service provider for sale of goods or services shall not be deemed to constitute any act in terms of clause 2 above. Provided further, state government may demarcate zones for water sports activity as per clause 6 above by appropriate notification of official gazette with prior notification inviting objection concerning the same. Provided further, driving a vehicle by shack owners or their staff or suppliers to these shacks at notified timing shall be exempt from the bar in clause 10 above. In section 2C, the sub-clauses shall be renumbered serially after carrying out the above mentioned amendments. And amendment to section 4, the section 4 of this bill shall be deleted. You see, I don't mind, but I'll tell you something.
Yeah, I'll just read out the statement. I think what Daji has moved as an amendment is good.
He has taken my 2 clauses.
No, whatever he has moved from his point is good for the things which also covers your 2 points. Balance of the issue, Speaker sir. Main kine asa, I will just read the statement of objection reasons. As Goa is recognized a premier tourist destination, the number of tourists visiting the state has been consistently increasing. However, the rapid expansion of tourism activities has also led to an increase in nuisance at tourist places, affecting the experience of visitors and locals in the state, disturbing public order and causing environmental degradation. Instances of unauthorized activities, disturbances and violations of public decorum have been on the rise, necessitating a stronger legal framework to address these concerns. The bill seeks to expand the definition of nuisance. Under the Goa Tourist Places Protection and Maintenance Act 2001, Goa Act 56 of 2001, by including additional activities and enhance deterrence by increasing the fine for nuisance so as to preserve the integrity of the tourist places in Goa, promote responsible and regenerative tourism and create a hospitable environment by protecting the interest of local communities and stakeholders. Speaker sir, पयर डिमांड जेन्ना जालो सगळ्यांचो एक इश्यू आशिल्लो की बिचार कोण त्रास करता, हॉकर येता, टाउट येता, इलिगल जाता, हाज्या खातीर थोडो कायदो दुरुस्ती जी करपाची आशिल्ली सो आमचो पयलीचो प्रिंसिपल एक्ट जो आशिल्लो गोवा टुरिस्ट प्लेसीस प्रोटेक्शन मेंटेनन्स एक्ट 2001 तोच तातून फक्त स्पीकर सर 2 फक्त मायनर आमी चेंजीस केल्ले आसा. एक म्हणल्यार न्यूसन्स जे आसा which covered only 1 para, we have increased the scope. The second para, Speaker sir, amendment of section 10, we have inserted a new section 10A. आता स्पीकर सर जो कट मोशन आमच्या बिलाच्या हाजेर अमेंडमेंटाक जो आमचो बाब दाजी सरकार तसोच दोतोरान जो मूव केला सेक्शन 2 in subclause C3 where the word and occurs and shall be deleted and substituted by the word or मान्य आसा. Speaker sir, in section 2 in subclause C6 after the word boating and before the word or the following expressions shall be inserted, namely activities for taking tourists. The boating gallo, they wanted to say that fale fishermen yocho nahi and tatun specific touristan aso mun tumi amend kelo, both of the amendments we agree to it. In section 4 of the bill, Speaker sir, after section 10 of the principal act, section 10A from the words the fine till the words 2 years shall be inserted. So urillo the para asa and may be increased by such amount not exceeding 10% in value of the existing fine as may be prescribed. To kadlo. Yet kele jara Speaker sir, urillo gazalo maka ista is understood. Doctor, I request you that whatever these words and things
I'll just explain. I'll tell you what. Only you understand what perspective
no,
I
you can go, if you want, you can go point by point. I have no issues.
I'll just explain to you what it is. Why?
But then you go point by point.
Point by point, I'll
Okay,
explain
no
to you.
problem.
So that you understand. If you agree with me, you see. If you don't want, then you may decide otherwise. See, in the first clause, which I mentioned is clause 2C, nuisance. I don't mind you put any number of items as nuisance. I'm not objecting to that in principle. You define what is nuisance. But when you use the word includes, in legal parlance, the word includes means besides this anything else.
Because sir,
That's why I said, wait, that's why I use the word
No,
means. Means.
principal act and Speaker sir includes सुद्धा आशिल्लो. आता include सुद्धा दवरला कित्याक include जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा, it gives us the option to include more options मेळटा. फाल्यां every time for the smaller things फाल्यां एक लायन टावटाची काड हे काड परत असेंब्लीन येवपाची गरज ना. So includes is proper. तो means म्हणटा पळय तातून you are defining only that. ताज्या मागीर स्कोप ना. ताज्या खातीर includes is our argument with you that this.
No, if you want to keep it beyond that, I don't have a problem.
Yeah, so
but I'm
includes is
just
okay.
drawing to your attention The word includes is wide enough to include more than what is
It has
specified.
to be wider, Doctor, because tomorrow
But it can't be
have
by
the option for the
notification,
government
it will be just inclusive
It
as it
either
may
is
be
inclusive,
decided.
but-
Now, number 3, which you said, because I'll tell you why number 3 I had mentioned, and remove that and put or, because consumption of liquor is not permitted and, because both things had to be done. That's why I put or, and you have accepted that.
The Goa Excise Act either way takes care of the issue, but.
I'm not concerned about.
No,
the
no,
excise
I'm just telling you, it also is there, where public जागेचेर तू पिवंक शकना.
ना.
पूण तरी आमी जो हो आतां न्यूसन्सान घेतला, we have accepted that, so that is okay.
No, you understood what was the reason.
Yes.
Because
Yes,
it has to be
accepted.
both things, drinking and breaking the
Accepted,
bottle.
two and
which-
Tajin Galata accepted.
Yes.
Yes.
Then, now we going, I will not go to number 6 because that you are accepting. We'll go to number 7. Now look at number 7. Engaging in touting or sale of cruise boats or any other tickets for tourist activities from any location, please understand this, from any location other than authorized ticketing counters or offices at designated tourist places. I put a simple thing to you. If tomorrow I want to sit in Panjim and I want to sell tickets for some place, I may not be authorized vendor, but I want to sell tickets for boating in Kalangut. I may also want to sell tickets online. I will come here.
Speaker sir, आमी online platform हातून include केल्लो ना.
But anybody
who wants to book from any place other than the travel agent
Any
is,
place.
can always book online. आता problem खंय जाला? हे सगळे टाउटिंग जो चलता जागो.
No, I will come
No,
to
no,
touting.
I'm coming to this. Touting जे जाला, illegal sale of tickets. एक बाबा रातचे डेस्टिनेशन दाखवप, त्या डेस्टिनेशनूच टिकेट विकली, आनी कितें सांगलें, हांकां ऑथरायझेशन काय ना. सो ट्रॅव्हल एजंटाचे रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस आसा, थंयच्यान ते विकता, तो तांच्या कोणाच्या ऑफिसान वचून विकता, आमकां प्रॉब्लेम ना. They can't sell in an open space near the beach or around, where it again leads to similar things. So that is why we are very clear in putting this particular part of ensuring that तुम्ही जो टॉपिक काडिल्लो, विरेश बाबांनी काडिल्लो, this should stop. ताजे खातीर हो कायदो घाल्लो आसा.
All right. Now come to the next clause. That's why it's number 11. Unauthorized selling of water sports tickets packages to tourists for service to be offered outside the state of Goa. I didn't understand why you are concerned about other places outside Goa. How does it affect our tourism here?
Because sir, आयच्या तारखेन गोंय आमी प्रिफर्ड डेस्टिनेशन म्हणटा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आमी ट्रेडिशनल आमचे गोंयकार जे आसा वॉटर स्पोर्ट्सान आसात. वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज आर देर इन गोवा जे आमचे पोट भरता. तातून आज नेबरिंग स्टेट्स, ऑल्दो वी बिलीव इन कोलॅबोरेटिव्ह, कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह एंड कॉपरेटिव्ह फॉर्म ऑफ फेडरलिझम, गोंयकार आमचे जे आसा ते पोटाचेर जे आसा तांकां प्रोटेक्ट करप इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. There are a lot of people today, speakers sir, who have been selling tickets to Malvan water sports when we have our own water sports. So why do we encourage somebody to sell tickets of activities of a tourism destination which are in Goa to a similar activities in Malvan? We do not agree to it. That is why this is moved.
I personally again look at it from this point of view. We are looking at number, water sports tickets packages for tourists for service to be offered outside the state of Goa. Now if I want to go abroad and I want to have a package there abroad, so also that will be barred?
Speaker sir,
I can't buy it here, I'll have to go there and make the purchase.
Speaker sir, jo
Or
travel
I'll have to go out of the state, make the purchase and then fly out.
Speaker sir,
Now think of this logically. Don't rush into this clause.
Speaker sir, जेन्ना act घालता, rules आम ताजेर पूर्ण तरेन we will ensure that is mentioned what it is and where it is.
Or you include the words as specified in the rules.
No, not required. We will mention in the rules.
Otherwise the rules cannot override a statute.
No, it won't. But when we say the to be offered outside the state of Goa, we will mention what we mean by outside the state of Goa, what activities. We have mentioned there specifically water sports tickets and packages. आज किती आला speaker sir? Water sport दोतर किती आला? Water sports.
To say in other states of India, no problem.
No. You cannot, speaker sir, talk about any state.
Then you are not putting it. Then I can't buy a package abroad for any foreign destination, but I'll have to go out of the border of Goa, buy it and come.
Common sense says that I cannot stop anybody from selling anywhere. Actually, by the constitution to samaj gelo, you have both parts. Want to protect that thing. Second way, why we interpret state is a preferred thing. So article 19 काय किती सांगता. But I am not getting into this. State government needs to protect the traditional Goikars for which we have put this. ताज्या खातीर स्पीकर सर कितें करपा जाय आमच्या गोंयकारां खातीर आमी करपा खातीर सीएमा कडेन उलोवन हाडिल्ले आसा. तुका कितें पॉइंट आसा we will adapt it in the rules.
Okay, if you want to keep that open so that we can discuss, I don't have a problem. Next is, here, number 12, number 12.
12.
Number 12, obstructing the free movement of tourists or compelling them to purchase items, goods or service by hawkers, agents or service providers. One moment, before that, you see, we were talking of touting, if you remember that touting. Touting. Only what is the question, this thing, obstructing the free movement of tourists or compelling them to purchase any items or goods or service by hawkers, agents or service providers. Now I ask you one simple thing. What I was wanting was this, and I'll explain why. Obstructing the free movement of tourists by hawking for sale of goods or service by hawkers. Now I put a proviso over there. Please look at this. The first proviso which I provided that an offer or soliciting by the owner or by a service provider for the sale of goods or services shall not be deemed to be constitute an act in terms of clause 2 above. Now why I pointed out this is because what is touting? What you and I think touts are those people who raise their hand and want to get passengers or tourists and all this. But in a dictionary meaning, tout means to try to persuade people to buy certain goods or services, especially by going to them and asking them directly. Which means a tourist taxi, if he wants a business, he has to keep sitting in his car, waiting that somebody will knock on his window and ask him, will you take me? He cannot even get out of the car and say, would you want a taxi? I can understand if he pesters the tourist. Persistently he is pestering him. But otherwise, he has to remain quiet. And then he will never get, because today I will tell you what is happening. Honorable Minister must know. In North Goa, they are booking tourist taxis. These taxi fellows are being booked by saying you're touting. So this is a little problem. That's why I said, if you're doing it, and that's why I used the word, obstructing the free movement of tourists by hawking for sale of goods, and I've made an explanation, provided that offer or soliciting by the owner, he himself, or by a service provider, that's the taxi driver, for sale of goods or services shall not be deemed to
13 you are talking about 12, you moved to 13. You are talking about 12 just
12.
So that is what you are talking right now is 13, not by 12.
It should be 13 then. 13.
So 12 is okay to go out, right?
No.
Yeah.
12. 12 it is.
No, what you're telling me does not come in 12, it comes in 13.
I can see 12
Committing
obstructing the free movement of tourists.
13 only says about committing any such activity as may be prescribed.
No, that's just open. 12 it is, obstructing the...
12 says obstructing the free movement.
Yeah, of tourists or compelling them to purchase any items, goods, that means the shopkeeper is asking to purchase his own goods, or services by hawkers, agents or service providers. Service provider will be the taxi.
Because पहिलो म्हणल्यार वो प्रिंसिपल एक्ट जो आसा इज गोवा टुरिस्ट प्लेसेस प्रोटेक्शन एंड मेंटेनन्स एक्ट 2001. In 2001, 12 September, notification काढून we have identified which are the locations where this principal act is in place. We have already told beaches, old monuments, temples in the state of Goa. We have told churches where it is. Third, where we are relating nuisance is related to what is happening in terms of this type of fellows. आता कसं झाला, your argument, you are moving little away. I will just put a point to you. Speaker sir, agent tout म्हणजे फक्त तितलोच नसता. आज एजंट जाल्लो असता. कॅश ते अशें कितें करता ते, कितें म्हणटा ताका ते? घुसपायतात आनी घालतात ते. ब्रेडिंग करपाक एजंट असता. टॅटूक एजंट असता, टॅटूवालो असता. तुका नायट पार्टी दाखोवपी थंयचो एजंट असता आणि नाईट पार्टी वाला असता.
And unwanted things also, I know that, yes.
Unregistered accommodation, so many things I can keep talking about.
Yeah.
We need to, this is done in good faith.
No, I'm not
so I would
disputing.
request,
See, I'm also in favor.
He's a learned advocate.
I'm in favor of stopping touts. But I don't want the locals to be upset.
आम्ही लोकांचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह जातकर मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे बसून गोंयकारांक कितें बरें घालतले. दोतोर इज acumen in legal is much more than all the 39, 40 of us.
See, I'm
I cannot
only
argue
pointing
on
out-
him on the legal part of it. I can argue on him on the intent part of it. ताच्या खातीर in terms of what the intent is very clear to how we want to get this word. Would request Dr.
Just listen to me for one moment. I said in the beginning that intention is good, but when it translates into effect in law, this will be the problem which you will face. And I'll tell you what will happen. Either the police or your tourism department will go and harass these people, collect money from them, and this will be the end of it. Your intention of the law will remain in paper, but in
Because,
effect
sir,
they will be harassed.
Hawker म्हणले न्ही, hawkerचे definition limits and makes it very conclusive to hawkers. I have gone above hawkers and told him what can be the expandable scope. ताज्या खातीर ताजे कितें विषय आसा ते रुल्सान जाल्यार this is not meant for taxi. तू म्हणटा जाल्यार ते पळोवन येता rules.
No, I say this way.
Not in the principle.
I put it this way. You keep that 13, you keep that 12 over there, and put the proviso that any offer or soliciting by the owner or by service provider for sale, the owner himself or by a service provider, that is the taxi driver, for sale of goods or services shall not be deemed to constitute any act in terms of clause 12 it is.
No, this contradicts what you're trying to put.
Only if he is doing it.
No, this again you're giving a scope for somebody who wants to do illegal to file a back window. Because sir, दोतोर legal terms आन घालता पळय ते आयकुपाक बरें दिसता. हांगा पोझिशन सध्या अशें आसा की इलिगॅलिटी समज कप करतले जाल्यार वी हॅव टू बी क्वायट स्ट्रिक्ट ऑन दिस. आणि खंयचोच गोंयकार नाल्यार गोंयकार सरकार स्वताच्या टॅक्सीवाल्याक वचून काय करचें ना, आजूय करना, कालूय करना, आनी फुडेंय करचें ना. सो ताच्या खातीर नाका ते आमी घेवच्या पेक्षा लेट अस गो विथ दिस. हॉकर्स इज लिमिटेशन. वी हॅव एक्सपांडेड द स्कोप एंड केप्ट इन द मॅनर कितें इलिगल टाउट्स एजंट्स कोण आसा ताका धरपाक मेळटा. Police should have the right to book them. This is how we have kept it.
Now look at clause 13. In clause 13, I was saying to delete why, because committing such other activity as me prescribed, then you will come out with a list of many other things. That's the only thing. And as far as section 4 is concerned, section 4, now you have proposed an amendment. Let me see what you have suggested. Pardon?
No.
No, I'm reading his amendment to see that if it fits, then I don't think we should have an objection. All right, I think.
Yes. Yeah.
एक वाटेन पळोवन बरें दिसता कारण खुबशे प्रश्न जे आमी मांडटाले ते ह्या एमेंडमेंटान येयल्ले आसा. दुसरे स्पीकर सर एक विचारपाक सोदता ते म्हणजे कितली लोकेशन्स ही टोटल जाल्ली आसा आनी मेन म्हटल्यार पणजे तुमी पळयता आसतले पणजे बोटींग जे जाता थंय त्या सायडीर कसिनोज आसा थंय सगळे अशें हें चालू आसा ती इन्क्लूड केल्यार तो एक प्रश्न आसा. आनी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट आतां ट्युरिस्ट पुलीस जो आसा आतां ट्युरिस्ट पुलीस आमी म्हणटा कितले नंबरान ट्युरिस्ट पुलीस सद्याक आसा आनी कितले आनीक जातले कारण पळय मॉनिटरींग सिस्टम इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट हें इम्प्लिमेंटेशन कर ना हो प्रश्न कित्याक विचारता की आमकांय क्लॅरिफिकेशन जाय न्हू हें समज जालें आनी मागीर जायना जाल्यार तो प्रॉब्लेम जातलो तो कितले आसा ते सांगचे.
इतल्या हावजान विषय घेत आसात ते मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे उलयतकर मुख्यमंत्री ऑफ द ओपिनियन वी हॅव अ प्रॉपर करतले जाल्यार मातशे रेग्युलेशन बॅकबोन जाय तो बॅकबोन हाडलो. आता हांवें उदर दोतोराक सांगिल्ल्या प्रमाणे 12 सप्टेंबर 2001 नोटिफिकेशन 9/4/59/2001 ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान बीचीज ओल्ड मॉन्युमेंट टेम्पल इन द स्टेट सिटीज जातूंत पणजे आसा हे सगळ्यो मेन्शन केल्ल्यो आसा. आमदारांक समज दिसता रिफरिंग टू दीस नोटिफिकेशन तांचे कितें सजेशन आसा डेफिनेटली दिवचे. वी वील लूक एट इट.
येस नो स्पेसिफिक प्लेसीस
Everything gets covered.
No, it's mostly covered.
You didn't only use the word whole
It's
Goa.
gone up to the wildlife sanctuary. So if we have a wide spread on this, तुका जाल्यार सगळ्यां वाचूंक शकता 4 पानां आसा. But that is why I've given you notification. तुमकां समज कितें तातूंत suggestion आसा, please suggest.
मॉनिटरींग सिस्टमाचें मातशें सांग कितले टुरिस्ट पुलीस तुमचे कडेन अवेलेबल आसा जे मॉनिटर करू शकता.
टुरिस्ट पुलीस
आमचे स्ट्रेचर ते ना
आणि कितें
स्ट्रेचर ना
जाय ते म्हाका दिसता इज नॉट अ टॉपिक रिलेटेड टू दीस. मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन उलोवन जाय ते आमकां पयर मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगलें कॉन्स्टेबल खंयचे पुलीस पडटा तातूंत आमी आमची मागणी घाल्ली आसा खंय आसा ते करून घेतले. डोंट वरी.
रिकॉर्डार परत लागता
एकूय पुलीस ना.
मिनिस्टर प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयक विचारान घेवचें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें रिकॉर्डार थोडेशें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जाल्यार विधेयक विचारांत घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव मान्य जाला.
दाजीचो अमेंडमेंट घे.
आतां हांव विधेयकाच्या कलम 2 आनी कलम 4 ची दुरुस्ती सयत एडॉप्ट केल्ली आसा सभागृहांत मतदानाक घालता. दुरुस्ती सयत मतदानाक घालता. जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें, जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. आतां आमी विधेयक कलमां विचारांत घेता. प्रश्न असो आसा 2 ते 3 कलम 2 ते 4 दुरुस्ती सयत कलम 1 अधिनियम सूत्र आनी प्रतीकपत्राचो विधेयकाचो भाग जावचो काय कितें. जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें, जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. कलम 2 ते 4 दुरुस्ती सयत कलम 1 अधिनियम सूत्र आनी प्रतीकपत्राचो विधेयकाचो भाग जाल्लो आसा. परिणामान ते आतां विधेयकाची दुरुस्ती सयत मंजुरी खातीर म्हणचें.
Speaker sir, I request that the bill be passed.
प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयक दुरुस्त
With the amendments
येस
moved by Daji Salkar. The bill be passed with the amendments moved by Honorable MLA Daji Salkar.
येस प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयकाक दुरुस्ती ना दुरुस्ती सयत मंजूर करचें काय कितें. जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें, जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. द गोवा ट्युरिस्ट प्लेसीस प्रोटेक्शन एंड मेंटेनन्स अमेंडमेंट बिल 2025 दुरुस्ती सयत प्रमाणे मंजूर जाला. आतां सभागृह आमकां कांयच कामकाज नाशिल्लें. सभागृह 4 ऑगस्ट 2025 सकाळीं 11:30 स्थगीत करता.
आम्ही गोंयचे प्रश्न मांडटात. फकत राजकीय न्हय, सामाजीक सांस्कृतिक तुमचे जिणेकडेन जोडपी आमचो टीव्ही, तुमचो टीव्ही. आम्ही तुमचे प्रश्न मांडटात. तुमचे प्रश्न आमच्यो जापो, आमचो संघर्ष तुमचे खातीर. आम्ही लढटात गोंया खातीर. आमचे सोपुल्ले गोंय सांबाळून दवरपा खातीर. तुमचो टीव्ही, गोमंतक टीव्ही.
मध्यराती ते फातोड मेरेन आणि फातोड सावन सकाळी मेरेन गोंयांत कितें कितें घडलें पळयात. आवाज गोंयचो सकाळी 11 वरांचेर लायव्ह.
दनपार मेरेनच्या मुखेल खबरांचो नियाळ घेयात लंच टायम न्यूजात. दनपारच्या 1 वराचेर गोमंतक टीव्हीचेर लायव्ह.
गरमागरम चाय वांगडा पळयात दिसभराच्यो गरम खबरो सांजेच्या 4 वराचेर गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या टी टायम बुलेटिनात.
संबंध राज्यांत घडपी घडणुकांचो सखोल नियाळ. 70 ते काणकोण आणि बार्देस ते केपें घडिल्ली प्रत्येक खबर पळयात. प्रायम टायम बुलेटिन सांजेच्या 7 वरांचेर गोमंतक टुडे लायव्हार.
तुमचे कडेन वेळ ना, तुम्ही व्यस्त आसात जाल्यार पळयात गोंयभरच्यो म्हत्वाच्यो बातम्यो टॉप 25 लायव्ह रातच्या 8:30 वरांचेर.
गोमंतक टीव्ही, गोंयच्या प्रजेचो आवाज.
मनोज, तू सार्वजनिक गणपती करता, गांवांकय गणपती करता. ह्या विशीं तूं गणपती बद्दल म्हायती सांग आनी केन्ना काम स्टार्ट केलें तुवें?
आमी काम केल्या 15 दीस चालू जाले. कितें हो गणपती आमचो 4 रस्त्या सार्वजनीक मंडळाचो. कितें टोटल हायट तेजी 18 फूट उंचीची विथ पेंडल. तिरुपती बालाजी सीन तो. आनी हो आतां आमी रात दीस लागून करतले. हे निकन आनी आमगेले आनी 4 गणपती आसा सार्वजनीक वेगवेगळ्या जाग्यार. तशें आमी पयलीं खूब करताले पूण आतां चडशे लोक लेट सांगता म्हूण आमी मोजके करता.
आतां मेरेन तुमी गोंयान मोठे मोठे गणपती केल्या. केपें गणेश उत्सवा खातीर केला, सांगे गणेश उत्सवा